what we've seen is every time we've had that change and we've had these little spikes, buyer activity has kicked up every time.
Yeah.
Like they've stepped back in.
This is Las Vegas Real Estate Now with local real estate expert Harvey Blankfeld.
You sent me this. It's from CoreLogic. It's U.S. Home Price Insights for April 2023, and they're talking about forecasting what they think is going to be happening.
Yeah.
And I thought it was
think
interesting.
There's some surprising info in here for people.
Let's talk about it, because what they're saying is they think that month to month, we're going to see in the coming month, they're going to see about a 0.2% appreciation rate. House pricing, 0.2 of a point going up. And then for year over year, between now and next year, they think prices are going to go up about 3.7% from this April to next April. This is a national perspective, guys.
Right.
This is not just Vegas. But it's an interesting thought because it is counterintuitive. People are still thinking that pricing is going down, and it's not, guys. So what they're projecting is a 3.7% appreciation year over year. In Vegas, they're saying it's a little softer than that, but they still think it's going to go up. They believe we're going to see appreciation, not going down.
Mid-single digits in this low to mid-single digits in our area.
Indeed.
Which is historically normal for us.
It's where we're supposed to be.
3 to 5% for Nevada year over year over year. If you go back in time, and you and I discussed this at one point, but in October, the market, we had about 11,000 homes for sale-ish for the greater Las Vegas area. That number's now down to 5,800 homes.
Right. Yeah.
And so when I look at the inventory decline there, the increase in transactions, and I know you haven't really touched on this yet, but we're seeing that seasonality aspect to the market come in where transactions are increasing. We did more transactions this month than the month before and the month before and so on, which is a normal cycle, but we're seeing that happen. And that for me feels like an inflection point. I really feel like the turn is happening right now. If it's true that, let's say you're waiting for interest rates to go lower, once interest rates do go lower, what do you think about buyers at that point? Well, buyers are going to be more active, right? That means you have more competition for the homes that are available on the market. And we know that the amount of inventory out there is what would be historically slim.
Right. It's tight already.
It is already tight, right?
Yep.
And so it's relatively in balance, and that would be held up by the median price holding flat. But the amount of demand we have for the amount of inventory we have is holding balance.
Right.
And I think it gets to the place where the people that are transacting today are people that have a need to transact.
You've been listening to Las Vegas Real Estate Now. If you ever have a question about real estate or any of the other topics we cover, just call me off air or text me at 702-203-1165. You can also check us out on the web at lvrealestateradio.com or on our handle on social media at LV Real Estate Radio.